Today we are going to show you how to rig a DOA jig head on a DOA paddle tail. The cool thing about the DOA paddle tails is they put their DOA symbol on the back of it in the middle. With the short shanked hooks, it's a perfect distance if you slide the point of the hook in the center of the O and aim for that as your exit point when you're bringing the bait through. So to start, take the point of the hook and slide it in the center of the soft plastic, sliding it back, keeping it in the middle, aiming for the O, and pushing the hook straight through the middle of the O. Once that's accomplished, push the bait up snug against the jig head and make sure that the shank of the hook is in the middle of the back. And that is how you rig a DOA jig head on a DOA paddle tail.
Nice. Hey Matt, I got a question.
What's that?
Do colors matter?
No, generally colors don't matter, but there's a few key rules to go by. In dark colored water, use dark baits, such as this bait. And lighter colors, and lighter water and clear water, use lighter color paddle tails, such as this bait.
Hey Matt, I got another question.
What's that?
What does it matter with the weight of the jig head?
The bigger jig heads, the heavier the jig heads, the deeper the water to get it down. The smaller jig heads, 1/16 and an 1/8 ounce, I would use in shallow water and 3 foot or less. Heavier jig heads use in deeper than 3 foot accordingly.